Hi everybody, I'm Kaysie Yu. I'm a product manager on the AKS team here at Microsoft. I work on cost optimization and management, as well as ISV partnerships on the marketplace. The feature that I've been working on is AKS Cost Analysis add-on, which is now in GA. We announced it earlier this year. Basically helps you get better visibility and transparency into your cluster infrastructure costs. Within the Azure portal, we've introduced several new cost management views. There's the cluster overview, which gives you a breakdown of all your clusters across resource groups and subscriptions and regions, and you get historical cost breakdown, up to 13 months worth of historical trend data. We also have the namespaces view, where you can see all your application namespace costs in terms of their compute, network, and storage costs. And we also have the assets view, which allows you to see all of your resources within the cluster, VMSS, disk, storage, LB, IP, how much of them were actually used by applications, how much was due to idle costs, and then how much was due to system-related processes. So with the better visibility and transparency, you can now understand where to optimize your costs, where cost anomalies might be coming from, and how to keep your developer teams accountable for their cloud spend. The Cost Analysis add-on is built on top of OpenCost, which is a vendor-neutral open source project, part of the CNCF. It was just actually promoted from sandbox to incubation status, and we're really excited for that as a community and also as maintainers of the project. We worked really closely with the KubeCost team, made several contributions to the project, and we're just excited to see the project grow and see our native add-on being built on top of it. When we decided to build on top of OpenCost, it was a very important factor. We didn't just want to consume the open source projects, we also wanted to contribute back. So some of our AKS engineers are actually maintainers and committers to the project. They've made several key contributions, like the CSV cost export capability, which allows you to do a daily CSV export of your Kubernetes costs broken down by all the Kubernetes abstractions, namespace, labels, services, you name it, to a local storage account or to your Azure storage, so that you can take that data, pipe it into any external visualization dashboards, do additional analysis, just another entry point to your cost data. We've also made several contributions via patches, docs updates, as well as most recently memory optimization. So we've actually lowered the memory consumption of OpenCost, but keeping and improving the performance of the project. We will continue efforts contributing back to OpenCost and working with the community. If you want to learn more about the AKS Cost Analysis add-on, you can always refer to the AKS documentation. If you want to learn more about OpenCost, highly recommend checking out their GitHub repo, as well as the OpenCost community Slack channel on the CNCF Slack.